Turn on your HP monitor and computer with single power on. Save a little time and simplify by using single power on to turn on your monitor and a connected device with just one button press. Here's how to set it up. First, connect your monitor and computer with a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. On your monitor, press the settings button and select power. Make sure your power setting is set to performance mode. Select power button. Then select your connection type. To control two devices connected to your monitor, select both USB-C video inputs. USB-C 1 input only controls the computer connected to the primary port, and USB-C 2 is for the secondary port. Select power on only if you want the power button to turn your devices on, but not off. If you don't select power on only, the power button will follow the Windows settings under lid, power and sleep button controls. When you complete the setting, you'll see a pop-up message on the monitor confirming activation and inform users that if they would like to learn more information, they can check the help section in the power menu. This message will appear only when connected with USB-C or Thunderbolt cable under the following scenarios. When connected to the monitor via USB-C or Thunderbolt cable for the first time and SPO is enabled by default. When SPO is not enabled by default, but user manually enables it through the OSD by setting power mode to performance and power button to on. Check the monitor's datasheet, user guide, or HP customer service to confirm if your monitor includes SPO function. Monitors with lower power delivery may not support turning on high-power devices, such as gaming PCs or workstations.